How to block ads and protect your privacy using Private DNS on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to set it up using a DNS provider built for filtering ads and trackers. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Connections. After that, tap More Connection Settings. At this point, tap Private DNS. Following this, tap Private DNS Provider Hostname. From here, type in the hostname of an ad-blocking DNS provider. At this stage, tap Save. Once saved, every app on your device routes its DNS requests through that provider, which filters out known ad and tracker domains before they even load. At this stage, open your browser or any app afterward to confirm pages are loading with noticeably fewer ads than before. Keep in mind, private DNS filtering works at the network level, so it can block a large chunk of ads and trackers, but it won't catch everything, especially ads served directly from the same domain as the content itself. That's how you block ads and protect your privacy using Private DNS on Samsung. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!